Okay, class, I'm glad you're all here today. How is everybody doing? Good. So last week we learned about manicures. And so what do we remember about manicures, right? So they happen on the hands. Mana means hand. Cure means to care for. So this week we get to learn pedicures. Can anybody tell me what they think a pedicure is? So this is where I would step back. I would do a think, pair, share, ask the students to think about what they think a pedicure is, what it involves. I would have them pair up, and then of course we would move on to the sharing part, and I would probably make a list on the board and we would talk about that list. So pedicure. Pedi means foot, cure means to care for. So pedicure, to care for the foot, right? So what I want you to do now is I want you to take out a piece of paper and a pen, and I want you to write agree or disagree by the following statements that I'm going to make, okay? First one, when having a pedicure, you as the client would receive a foot massage. Now, do you agree or do you disagree with that? Okay. Next. If you have a plantar wart, or what is also known as a wart on the bottom of your foot, okay, do you think the person performing the pedicure could diagnose and treat that wart? So, do we agree with that or disagree with that? Write it down. Okay. Next, are pedicures supposed to be enjoyable for the client? So is it something that they're gonna like, that they want to have done? Okay, do you agree or do you disagree with that? Okay, next. Do you agree that it is important to sanitize your pedicure tools, so the tools that you use to work on their feet with, between each client? Okay, do we agree with that or do we disagree with that statement? Next and last. If your client has toenail fungus or yellow toes, and we'll go on to find out what toenail fungus really is and what it all means, okay? Or yellow toenails, would you agree or disagree that you could still do the pedicure anyway? So would you still continue the service, finish the pedicure, okay? Okay, now that everybody's got those down, I want everybody to set down their pencils, pens, sit back in your seats. I want you to close your eyes or keep them open, okay? And we're going to relax. And you're going to listen to what I say, and you're going to visualize or picture in your mind what I am telling you, okay? I want you to think about it in your mind. First, I want you to picture yourself sitting in a pedicure chair in a spa or a salon. I want you to feel relaxed. I want you to feel your feet soaking in the water, in the warm water. And I want you to be able to smell hints of lavender or flowers. So it's going to smell good, okay? Next, I want you to picture in your mind the pedicurist or the person working on your feet, okay? They are cutting your toenails, and they are taking the dead skin off the bottom of your feet. So they're removing that. They're taking it off. Okay, they're making your feet smooth, like nice and smooth, okay? Next, the person working on your feet, the pedicurist, is beginning to massage or rub lotion on your feet and your legs, okay? I want you to feel relaxed by the massage. So we're like, oh, this massage is so nice, okay? And I want you to feel how soft the bottom of your feet are, okay? Next, I want you to pick your favorite color and see it in your mind. So if you see red, I want you to see red. If you want to see pink, I want you to see pink. If blue, I want you to really picture the blue in your mind, okay? This is the color that's going to be polished or painted on your toenails, okay? Now that your pedicure is over, we're finished, I want you to feel how soft your skin is, your feet, and how moisturized or hydrated or soft your feet are, and how beautiful that color is on your toenails. Okay? So, side note, I chose a visualization for the teaching about a pedicure because I feel like if they could really think about in their mind how it feels to get a pedicure, that they would understand it from the client's perspective as well as the pedicure's perspective. I was using words such as, polished, but I also explained that it meant painting the toenails and things like that. And I wanted them to visualize what a finished pedicure will look like. And of course, we'll move on to that. And so that's the end of my video. Thank you.